Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have something super excited that we're doing. We're at Jack in the Box. Just kidding. Just kidding. So today we're actually going to a car wash. That's so exciting. No, for real. Okay, not for real. We're going to a haunted car wash, and this is my first year hearing about it. I haven't heard about it before. So this is our first year going to this haunted car wash, and we didn't bring our babies because my son is 2 and my other one is 3 months, so they would be scared. The 2-year-old would be scared and the 3-month-old wouldn't know what's going on. So it's just me, my husband, my sister, and my nephews in the back, and we're gonna go enjoy this car wash today. So I'm gonna put y'all back on when we get there, so y'all can see the car wash with us, and I know y'all will love it just as much as we're loving it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be such a long line. But do they have to take us, right?
I don't know.
I think they do.
That's why they got.
We're here! Woo woo! Still here waiting in the line. 10 years later.
How? Because the window was down.
We didn't bring something.
Just put a hat down. I don't want to.
No.
Oh
You see
my
that? All the way down
God.
or up?
Then all the way down.
Okay.
I'm trying to go for the first one. Okay.
Look at Freddy Krueger, guys!
And that's
We're finally getting inside, and we still got a little bit to wait. Let me see. Let me show you. We still got a little bit to wait and go all the way around, but we are getting there. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Check it out, guys. Mira, le trato de abrir la puerta, ve, mira.
Oh, you better lock the door.
Oh my God. Ready?
Yes. All these days.
Y'all ready?
Yes.
That's somebody from the Bye Bye movie.
I don't know what I got myself into.
Bye Bye
And then you wanted to come.
I know.
You invited me, so girl.
And now I'm being a big old chicken. Oh my God.
Ready
no,
for the car. What? You need to shut up because they. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh no! It's raining. I'm getting wet, Junior.
Oh yeah?
I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet though.
Ese se metió. Oh my gosh, what did I get myself into?
Who is that guy?
Oh my god.
I'm not leaving this much open.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're trying to open the door already.
Oh, shoot. Pick it up a little bit.
Oh my god.
You're scared?
Oh my god.
You know?
Esme, roll your window up a little. They're gonna open that door, girl.
Put the window a little more up. Okay. Look at
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You know they got the door open right there? Un blanket le dieron. It's okay.
Unlock now.
Hey, they're too much scared. I don't want to scare them that much, you know? Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
He's not even scary.
Oh!
Scare her, scare her. There's no way they could open doors, right?
No.
He's like, gonna take a picture.
There you go. Thank you.
What are you looking at me for? What are you looking at me for? Oh my god.
I couldn't open the door.
He was not scary. No, I was like, clown.
No, Pennywise is the scariest.
That's not scary.
Pennywise is the scariest.
He was like,
Pennywise.
let me get in the middle.
No.
Oh my god, that was scary right there. That was scary right there. That's for sure scary. That's scream.
Se va a dar la vuelta, se va a dar la
I'm
vuelta.
recording.
Mhm.
Look at them. Oh, look inside. There's
Look,
scary
Frankie.
too. Faltó la llorona.
Oh.
I would have been scared.
I don't know if I'm recording.
You guys still there?
Watch out, watch out.
Come here.
No. He has white eyes.
He has white eyes.
Go down, go down.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Got it.
I'm
Thank you.
scarier than you.
He's coming.
Watch out. It's going that way, guys.
Hell no! No!
He's waving at me. He says.
I'm in a haunted car wash. Like they wash your car in there, and it's really scary. But we're not inside yet. Like there's a long line, so they're scaring you out
So you
here.
can actually see the
Oh,
car
look,
wash
mine.
there, and my husband. You can actually see. In there's actually people scaring you also, so I just can't wait to get in there.
Oh, look, he's washing my car. My car, your car.
He's watching our car.
He's trying to get the thing. This is a haunted car wash, yeah.
No!
Oh my god.
Man, you need to come back. Hey.
Alright, sorry for all my screaming, guys.
We haven't got screamed by scream yet.
Not yet.
But here comes Michael Myers.
You mean by this rock?
He's about to get to my side.
Cuchillo.
Oh, he didn't come.
Girl.
He has a
Babe,
he has a
cash?
plastic knife.
Your card?
Yeah, of course.
They're gonna scare you right away like this. It's okay, me. This is kind of cool. Tell your friends that you
Trando dulces este.
You can't see it, but it's called Good For You Car Wash.
Mira, trando dulces. Oh, el cuchillo, ¿miraste?
Spring, Texas. And there goes Freddy Krueger. Michael Myers hasn't came to me, neither has Freddy Krueger. I'm waiting for them.
Oh my gosh, look what Freddy Krueger did! He was like this. Like the same zombie. Imagine this is the window. Imagine this is the window and the kid right here. Imagine the kid right here. He went, trying to touch the kid.
Just the normal one. What time you're closing today?
We're supposed to close at 9.
And then I know that.
I have no idea to be honest.
Damn, I was all the way in line. I was like, damn, we didn't go make it.
Thank you for your business. We look forward
Yeah, it
to
is.
seeing you again soon.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Y'all doing a good job, man. Y'all doing a good job. Let's go.
Be careful, he's gonna come.
Let's say I'll see you later.
Ponte el recibo.
You don't like a Myers did? No, Jason did?
I'll see
No.
you later.
The 911 did? He said, I'll see you later. Look, Jason's right there in the raincoat.
Membership starting at 15 a
You know,
month.
Jason,
You can come here
Jason
once
has
a
a
year.
bus stop right here in the raincoat.
Once a day. Pero está bien lejos.
Let me go on that side, Frankie. They're gonna be on that side. Let me go on this side.
Oh, they're gonna be on that side.
Oh my god.
No, I'll be in the middle, so they won't see me.
No quiere abrir la ventana.
She's like, my baby's sleeping, dice.
Or they're gonna try to scare you with candy. Okay, look at the back.
Oh, they're giving you candies here.
Open the window there. I want candy.
They're gonna give it to Junior.
I barely got to the inside. No, boy, we're barely even going in. That was just a line. That was scaring us.
Them first than us.
Like, there was a big line. They had people outside scaring us. That's who was going in.
He's giving you more candy. Viene contigo ya.
Where's Freddy Krueger? Like, he's right there. I want popcorn. I want popcorn. Is that popcorn?
Wait, Esme.
That's pretty cool.
What's good? Oh, candy.
You want candies, guys?
Yes. We really try to open that door like, go in.
No. They're scared. They're scared.
scared.
They're too scared. No.
Did I do a pirate thing?
This is neutral.
Okay, this is where they come out of nowhere.
It's a neutral. No brake. Yeah, it is already.
Hola.
Okay, this one is just scary. But there was a door.
Okay, this is where they scare y'all.
Ooh, and the noise is heavy. Big boys.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna get scared right now, acting like I can't see nothing.
Yeah, be careful.
También tu lado ahí. Oh, it's because they can't be in the actual wash.
Oh, so why is it on this side?
Yeah, acá está el-
I know, I'm about to get him right now.
Mira el del médico que está allá.
Es Michael, ¿no?
¿Eh? Sí, parece. Es mega
I don't need
Mira
to
esto.
okay, here.
Es my dropping phone.
I didn't see him. Oh my god.
You look scared. No, you look so scary.
You look stupid. You got so Stop blaming me.
La lengua de este.
No, está todo saliendo. ¿O lo tienen amarrado?
Nah.
Mira este como que está amarrado. Va a salir a alguien, ve. Y'all better be prepared.
What's wrong with you?
Acá viene uno.
Why, I guess. That was it.
Yeah.
Esmeralda, you were scared the whole time. So we're finally home from the car wash. We went for my babies, for you and Giovanni, and we had so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it and scared. I was scary. I had so much fun and terrifying moments, right? So if you did like this video, please don't forget to like and comment on it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss out on any more future videos. And yeah, guys, good night. Good night. Alright, guys. One more thing I forgot to add before I end this vlog completely is that I didn't plan on doing vlogs on my channel. I just thought this was something so fun and entertaining that I wanted to share with y'all as well. And if y'all did enjoy it, I probably will continue the vlogs, but let me know down in the comment section if y'all do enjoy the vlogs, if y'all enjoy seeing what I'm up to, what my family's up to. let me know and I will continue them for y'all. Thank you.